If you're thinking about buying Ubersuggest, there are a few things you need to know before making the investment. In this video, we'll break down 12 key points that will help you decide if it's the right choice for your business and how it stacks up against competitors in the generative AI space. First, let's talk about the price. Ubersuggest offers a range of pricing tiers, but compared to other similar tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush, Ubersuggest is significantly cheaper. However, while it's affordable, it may lack some of the advanced features that those high-end tools provide. Next thing to know is that Ubersuggest focuses primarily on SEO tools. It includes keyword research, backlink data, and site audits, which are solid features. But if you need more advanced competitor analysis, it may fall short compared to tools like SEMrush. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. Ubersuggest is beginner-friendly. Its interface is straightforward and clean, making it easier to navigate than many competitors, which can overwhelm new users with complex dashboards. Next, Ubersuggest includes content ideas and site audit features. These tools help improve your SEO strategy by suggesting content topics based on trending keywords. However, in comparison to competitors like Surfer SEO, the content suggestions might not be as precise or data-driven. The fifth thing to note is that Ubersuggest has a limited backlink analysis feature. While it gives you a decent snapshot of backlinks, if you need detailed and expansive backlink data, something like Ahrefs might be a better option. Next, Ubersuggest offers a free plan, which is great if you're just starting out and want to test the waters. But be warned, the free version has significant limitations in terms of the number of searches and data you can access. Competitors like Moz do have free trials, but offer more flexibility in terms of access. The seventh thing is the customer support. Ubersuggest provides support through email, but it lacks the 24/7 live chat service that some competitors like SEMrush offer. If you need quick help, this could be a drawback. Next, Ubersuggest does provide a Chrome extension, which is convenient for on-the-go SEO analysis. However, it's not as robust as the extensions offered by tools like Moz or Ahrefs, which provide deeper insights with more features. The ninth point is the reporting capabilities. Ubersuggest does generate reports, but when compared to competitors like SEMrush, the reports might lack depth. If you're managing multiple clients or need detailed data for stakeholders, you may find this lacking. The 10th thing to keep in mind is that Ubersuggest has a relatively small database compared to bigger players like Ahrefs or SEMrush. This means that the data it pulls may not always be as comprehensive or up-to-date as its competitors. Next up, Ubersuggest has a limited AI-powered feature set. While it does offer some suggestions for content and keywords, it doesn't have the same generative capabilities that other AI tools like Jasper or Writesonic offer. If you're looking for content automation on a deeper level, Ubersuggest may not fully meet those needs. The 12th thing to consider is its focus on small and medium businesses. While it's perfect for smaller websites and SEO beginners, larger enterprises may find its feature set lacking for more complex SEO needs. Overall, Ubersuggest is a solid SEO tool, especially for beginners and small businesses. It's affordable and user-friendly, but lacks some of the advanced features found in more expensive tools. If you're looking for something with a better range of features and a deeper AI-powered experience, I recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free.